Hi, Diane here, the maths teacher behind ILS and MathMorph. This video is a quick run through of the series and using how to use them to help prepare for your higher maths exam. So obviously watch the video, but use a stop-start approach so that you give it time for the facts to sink in. Then ask yourself honestly, did it all make sense? If there's any bits that you weren't quite sure of, look back on your old notes and then maybe replay the video again. Once you're happy, we come to the most important part, which is building your memory muscles. What you need to do here is try and write entirely from memory everything you came across in the video. And no cheating, no peeping at it, just see if you can. The muscle building for your memory comes from the actual writing process, so it's really quite important. So you could do mind maps, lists, diagrams, whatever works for you, but it has to be from your memory. Then go through the video again, start, and then if there's any little bits and pieces that are missing from your notes, annotate them now and add to it. So you've got a comprehensive list of a summary of everything you need to know. Once you're prepared, have a look at some past paper questions, but use your notes to actually answer them so you get a sense of your way of thinking and how you can apply that to the style of question you're going to meet. Finally, you're going to rewrite your notes, but what you're going to do is try and condense it onto one page, whether it's a diagram or a mind map or whatever. And this is going to be the memory muscle you take into the exam with you. And most importantly, have a break. It's the break that gives you the chance for it all to sink in. At the end of your break, try to teach someone or explain your notes to them, because this will reinforce everything you've done. And then finally, you don't need us to wish you luck in the exam, because we know with the help of MathMorph, you've got this.